Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix headphones not detected on your VIVO X300. So first we're going to talk about the USB-C headphones and the adapters. So the first thing to do is to clean the charging port. As you guys can see, we have the charging port right here and it's very clean now because this phone is new. But when you already stuff it in dirt or anything else, then it can block the connection between the headphones and the phone. So you may even connect, but the volume will be awful. And I would recommend cleaning it because dust can definitely block the connection. And it also goes for, let's say, charging. So when you're trying to charge your phone, you won't charge it at normal speeds because it can block the connection too. So make sure to clean the charging port. Now what you guys can do next is restart the phone. So we're gonna do that now, but when we move on to the Bluetooth, we won't do that again. Do not waste your guys' time. So press the volume button, the volume up button, and the power button at the same time. Now all you have to do is press it, do not hold it, and now swipe to the right to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it restarts. Now after the restart, we're gonna talk about the adapters. So if you're not using an original one or a certified adapter, then I would recommend you guys starting using it, because some cheap adapters, or if they are just poor quality, the price doesn't matter, the quality does. So if they are a poor quality adapters, then that can already cause some issues because they can break down anytime. So you definitely want to use an original or a certified adapter for your device. Now what you guys can do is try and test another pair of headphones for the USB-C users. Now if everything's okay, then maybe the problem is with the phone or the headphones. So if everything's okay with the headphones and they work on another device but they don't work on this one, then that might be the issue of the charging port either being too dirty or many other things. But we'll get back to that later. Now we're gonna go and update our software, but we're gonna do that in the Bluetooth section. Do not do that twice. And now if you're using the Bluetooth headphones, the first thing I would recommend you guys to do is turn the Bluetooth off and on. So let's unlock the device, and here we just need to go to the settings. In the settings, let's go over and click on Bluetooth. Here, as you guys can see, it was disabled, now it's enabled, but we're gonna restart it right now. So tap on the switch until it turns gray. Now tap on it until it becomes blue and you see some available devices. What you guys can do is forget and repair the headphones if they are already connected, and you basically repair them again with the phone. You need to make sure that they are fully charged, because I've had this situation once when I wanted to connect my headphones to a device and they wouldn't connect unless they were charged up to 100%, including the case. So that was a bit of the struggle, but just a precaution, guys, to warn you that this also might happen to you. Now I would recommend avoiding the device interference, because if you have your headphones paired to another device, then maybe they are connecting there instead of the phone. So you want to avoid other devices being connected, and as a last resort, as I've mentioned before, was update your phone's software. So in the settings, let's swipe down until you guys see system update almost at the bottom, and it will check automatically if you have the latest version. As you guys can see, I do, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. And that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.